Your payment will be transferred by the IMC.
Just have my money ready. I'll get you your precious cargo, you useless net. Titan, you're gonna open up and give me what I want.
Voice command. Not recognized.
Let me just rip it out.
Can't risk it. Yark's unstable.
Listen, hero. You have what's mine, and I want it back. Go on. Tell your Titan to open up.
BT, open that hatch. When this guy's dead.
Still trying to be a hero, eh? I've a lot of dosh riding on this contract, my friend. So tell your Titan, if he doesn't open up, I will shoot you in the head.
Pilot in jeopardy. Ocular systems. Marginal. Cannot visually acquire pilot.
Stand him up. You see him now? Right here, right here. Yeah? You see him now?
Functions compromised by severe crash damage.
I don't care how broken you are. I know deep down some things still working there. Now open up. I'm going to shoot your pilot in the head. You still remember numbers, don't you? I'm going to count to 3.
BT.
1,
Thrust.
Now, that wasn't so hard, was it? That's the problem with teams. If you don't win together, you die together.
No, I was going to kill those guys, BT. It's my guilt.
Nice try,
No.
love.
Take it down. Get down here. Get down. Sorry for the long video, folks. This seems just very cinematic and I want to show you what it is.
Cooper, over here. Cooper, I can no longer uphold the mission,
But you still can.
but you still can. Take the circuit. It's your best chance for survival.
Alright, BT. We'll finish the mission for ya. We'll finish it for you, mate. Trust me.